Okay, so last week I was able to grab both a dark coffee brown mini backpack as well as a burgundy red limited edition Love 41 city backpack. So what I'm going to do today is go ahead and go over both of the bags, show you some of the details, because I know a lot of ladies on our group were kind of deciding over whether they should get the mini or the city. So first let's go into the city backpack. I went ahead and opened the bag already because I don't have a tripod right now and I didn't want to seem too shaky. Okay, so here is what fits inside of this bag. So we have a rough and tumble clutch. We've got an 18-ounce Yeti. My Coke leather writer's pouch. Sunglasses. Really big set of keys. Yes, that is a fork. This is a kind of funky cover, but it was really cheap on Amazon. I think it was like $10. This is an iPad Pro 11-inch, and it fits with pretty much plenty of room to spare. I also have these lovely antique brass D-rings. One more thing to note about the City that is different from the Mini are all of the features on the front. You could fit even the largest iPhone or Android phone in there. And there's another little pocket on the inside. Next up is the mini backpack. There aren't too many features to this. It's a very simple bag. I'm trying to keep the light as low as possible on this bag because there's a lot of glare and I want you to be able to see the character. You can see the DCB dark coffee brown has a lot of character and a lot of pull-up. Pull-up is when the oils and waxes in the hide separate when you move them. So you see that? You see how that just created a marbling effect? This is definitely more of a smooth leather, but also very, very squishy as well. I decided to try and fit as much as I could of the items that I already put into the city backpack. The only thing that didn't fit in this one that fit into the city was my iPad Pro because it's 11 inches, so it's a little bit bigger than the bag. So for me, really, the main difference between this bag and the city backpack is that I can't fit my iPad in this one. One thing to note about the backpack straps on the Mini is they are super long and they don't have a buckle at the bottom. They have one of these things where you can kind of extend it and make it bigger or smaller. This bag is lined in pigskin, and then you can also see there is a pocket in the back there, and it's also made of that DCB leather, which is super marbly and beautiful. My favorite thing to put back in that pocket is the envelope wallet from Love 41, or any small coin purse or wallet would fit back there. So I hope if you're trying to figure out which bag you want to buy, that this helped a little bit. If you like leather and leather goods, feel free to subscribe to our Herder Market YouTube channel. You can also search us on Facebook under Herder Market. We have a Facebook page. And we also have 3 fan club groups that are very active, and we discuss leather pretty much all day there. Well, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you guys soon. Also, don't forget to join our private club called Herder Lodge. You can find more information about this in our video notes under this video. We're going to give away this beautiful brand new Saddleback tobacco bucket backpack. I've been told that this bag is discontinued, which is really sad because it is one of my favorite backpacks from Saddleback. So June 10th is the giveaway day, and I took some pictures and a little bit of video of the bag for you that will show now.